Yeah, hello guys, welcome to Easy Tech. So now this is a Gionee f106 before me today. So what actually happened to this phone is that when plugging a charger to it, it's not consuming any current, so it's not charging, so it's not consuming any current. If you look at the in the 6-port charger, if you look at the number 4, you see that no current is consuming, and this dual downboard, and I've put another new downboard to it, still yet it's not charging, it's not consuming any current. Even though I try with another battery, still yet it's not charging and it doesn't consume any current. What can be the problem? What can cause this issue? I have to disassemble the phone and check what actually happened. Okay, so now I will disassemble the phone right now. Alright, so I've disassembled the phone. So what I want to do right now is that I will power on the phone with DC power supply. I want to confirm if the phone is not dead. Alright, so now I try to power it on. You can see, look at the ampere of the DC power supply. So the phone is on. So this means that the phone is working fine, but it's not charging. Alright, so the phone is on. So the phone is on. You can see the current going up gradually. Alright, so very good. So the phone is working fine, just that it's not charging. Alright, so now let me move further. Alright, so the first thing I will check is the fibus voltage, which I'm expecting like 5 volts. Alright, so I have to plug the charger to check the fibus line. If the fibus is reaching the motherboard, I mean the 5 volts, if it's reaching the main board from the subboard. Alright, so now I will try to check with my multimeter, put to DC mode. Alright, so you can see I have a 5 volt. Look at the multimeter, I have a 5 volt. It's reaching on the main board, so I'll continue my tracking. Alright, so I will try to check for the fibus also. Okay, the fibus is stable. The fibus is stable. Alright, so the next thing is that I will check my feedbacks. Alright, so I'll try to check my feedbacks. So you can see in my feedbacks the voltage is fluctuating. I have 3 volts, 2.8, 3 volts, 2.8, and I'm expecting like 4 volts to 4.5. So this is the voltage that is required to charge the battery if the charging circuit is working well. But I am having a low voltage from 2.8 to 3 volts. You can see the voltage is not stable. So I'm not okay with this. I'm not okay with this. So I will try to check what is happening. Alright, so let's move further. Alright, so I tried to inspect the motherboard. So I'm trying to inspect if there is no anything wrong, but actually I found a corrosion around the camera side, camera connector. So I see a water corrosion, so I'm trying to zoom it so that it can be clear to view. Right, so I saw a water corrosion. You can see the camera connector. You can see that there is a water there. So I think there is a water flow on this board before brought in to here through the customer. Alright, so I try to clean it. So I try to clean the water corrosion. So, but actually after cleaning this water corrosion, because this is not a charging area, so I tried to check, but nothing changed. But this is a camera section, so I don't think it can't affect the charging. But actually there is possibility water also has reached the charging circuit. So I will try to check that also. So alright, so I have to remove the charging IC. So I want to remove the charging IC so that there may be a water flow under the charging IC. Alright, so I have to remove the charging IC because I test around the charging circuit, everything is okay. So I need to remove the charging IC because I take the footage from the charging IC. So it's also fluctuating. So the output capacitor of the charging IC. So the footage is also fluctuating. So this means that this problem is from the charging IC. So I try to remove the charging IC. So now I'm trying to remove the charging IC right now. Okay, so I'm trying to remove the charging IC. Alright, so gently. Alright, okay. If you are watching this video, I want you to like this video and follow this page. Follow this page. Alright, so if you follow this page, this will enhance us. This will enhance us to share more of our knowledge. Alright, so try to share this video also and do like this video. Alright, so I've removed the charging IC. Now I've removed the charging IC. Okay, so the charging IC has been removed successfully. Alright, so now I want you to observe. I want you to observe clearly. So look at the charging IC very well. You can see that there is a damage on that charging IC underneath. You can see, and this is caused by the water. This is caused by water. So the water flow under the charging IC, and the charging IC has been corroded under. You can see it clearly here. You can see that the charging IC has been faulty underneath. You can see the damage. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to do right now is that I'm going to change the charging IC. So this is scrap board. Alright, this is scrap board. So I'm going to remove the charging IC from another board to fix to the working board. Alright, so now I will start to remove this charging IC from this board. Okay, so without wasting of our time, so we just need to change that charging IC because we see a bond under it which is caused by water. Alright, so let me remove this charging IC. Right, so I've put a paste on it. Right, so trying to heat it. Okay, so I'm trying to heat it. Alright, so the charging IC has been removed. So now ready to fix to the working board. But before I fix it to the working board, I will need to reboil the IC. So I need to reboil it. So now this IC will go to reboiling process before fixing it to the working board. Alright, so now I'm going to take the step. Okay, so let's start to reboil the IC. Okay guys, now try to reboil it. Try to reboil it. Alright, so let me try to redress the surface before fixing it. So now let me try to redress it. Okay. Okay, alright, after I finish the redressing, so now let me try to fix the charging IC. Alright, so now I will fix the charging IC right now. Alright, so let me try to fix it. So, alright, let me try to test the phone. So, let me try to test. Let me try to plug the charger. Let me try to plug the charger. So let me try to check the footage if the problem has been fixed. So now I have 4.3 volts. Wow. So the condition has been changed. Alright guys. So let me try to insert the battery to it and check if the situation is completely changed, but the assurance has been clear. But no more doubts. Our footage has been changed. Not not before for from 2.6 to 3. But now every condition has changed. So let me insert the battery to it. Okay. So now let me see whether it's going to take the current. Alright, so look at number one. Number one. So that's the charger for number one. This is the charger for number one. So we are going to look whether it will take a current. So okay. So let me try to insert the charger. Alright, so now it's taking a current because the battery is low. We have 1 volt. We have yeah, we have 0.9. Check 0.9. Wow, we have 0.9. So the battery is charging. Wow, we have 1 ampere. Wow, we have 0.9, 1 ampere. So the problem has been fixed. The problem has been fixed. Alright guys, the problem has been fixed. It's alright. So if you're watching from Facebook or TikTok, try to follow us and like this video and share. If you are watching from YouTube, subscribe. Alright.
So love you guys. See you next time. All right. Bye.